In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high quality images on iMessage with a quick and simple fix. We all love capturing those precious moments in stunning detail, whether it's a beautiful landscape, a fun group selfie, or a photo of your adorable pet. But when it comes to sharing these photos through iMessage, sometimes the images don't quite look as sharp and clear as you'd like them to be. Fear not, because I'm here to show you how to ensure your images retain their quality when sent via iMessage. To get started, unlock your iPhone and head straight to the settings menu. You can find this on your home screen. It's the app that looks like a little gear. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the option for apps. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Look for messages in that list and tap it open. This is the application we use for iMessage. Once you're inside the messages settings, you'll need to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here you should see an option labeled low quality image mode. If this feature is turned on, your iPhone is compressing images before they're sent through iMessage to save on data. This might have been activated to help conserve data usage or sending time, but for those of us who want every detail to be crystal clear, it might not be ideal. Go ahead and toggle this feature off. Just a simple tap will switch it to the off position, allowing your iPhone to send photos in their original, higher resolution. And there you have it. With low quality image mode turned off, your photos will be sent through iMessage as vividly as you captured them, without unnecessary compression. But wait, before we wrap up, I have a few bonus tips for you to ensure your photos are always shared in the best possible quality. First, try to send your photos while connected to Wi-Fi or with a strong mobile data connection. This not only speeds up the process but ensures that the original quality is maintained during the upload. Secondly, whenever possible, avoid taking screenshots of photos you wish to share. Instead, send the original file from your Photos app. Screenshots tend to reduce the quality due to the way they capture the image displayed on your screen. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in the quality of the images you share through iMessage. Now you can send photos that capture every vibrant color and every minute detail exactly as you intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick fix enhances your photo sharing experience on iMessage.